Hi, meet you again. Today we are going to learn 2.2c Basic Operations on Matrices. Our learning standard is to multiply two matrices. How to multiply two matrices? Based on the previous situation, the sales of fans in the month of March can be represented with a matrix as follows. With matrix P, in-store and online as the row, whereas stand fan, ceiling fan, and wall fan as the columns. The commissions for selling each unit of the stand fans, ceiling fans, and wall fans are 25 ringgit, 30 ringgit, and 20 ringgit respectively. How do you calculate the total commission earned from the in-store and online sales? Let's calculate the total commission earned from the in-store sales and the total commission earned from the online sales. The total commission earned can be calculated in the form of a matrix. If the commission for selling each unit of the fence is represented in the form of column matrix, that is K equal to 25, 30, and 20, then the total commission earned from the in-store and online sales can be written in the form of matrix as follows. Multiply the matrix P and matrix K. You may gain 1,160 and 505. Here we assume that K is a row matrix. Perform the multiplication on matrices PK. Is the multiplication possible? Yes, the multiplication is possible. PK is known as the multiplication of matrix P with matrix K, and 1,160, 505 is the product of the two matrices. In general, to multiply two matrices A and B, the number of columns in matrix A must be the same with the number of rows in matrix B. The number of rows in matrix A and the number of columns in matrix B become the order of the product of the two matrices AB. If matrix A has an order of m by n, and matrix B has an order of n times B, then the multiplication AB can be performed and the order of AB is m by P. Let's see example 15. It is given that matrix C is equal to 8, 3, and matrix D is equal to 1, 2, -2, 5. Determine whether multiplication CD and DC can be performed. If yes, state the order of the product of the matrices. Solution. Order of matrix C is equal to 2 by 1. order of matrix D is 2 by 2. Multiplication CD cannot be performed because the number of columns in matrix C is not the same with the number of rows in matrix D. Multiplication DC can be performed because the number of columns in matrix D is the same with the number of rows in matrix C. The order of product DC is 2 by 1. Example 16. It is given that matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 5 and matrix B is equal to 6, -7, -2, 1. Calculate AB. Solution. Find these four elements by using the steps as following. Generally, you may follow the SMART tips as below. Hence, AB is equal to 6, -11, -4, -2. Let's try example 17. It is given that matrix E is equal to 5, -1, 0, -4, 8, 7. Matrix F is equal to -2, 7. And matrix G is equal to 4, 3. Calculate A, GE, B, FG, and C, GF. Solution. A, GE. You may gain matrix 8, 20, 21, which the product is a matrix with order 1 by 3. B, FG. The product is -8, -6, 28, 21. The product is a matrix with order 2 by 2. Let's continue with question C. GF. You may gain 13. The product is a matrix with order 1 by 1. Now, let's do example 18. It is given that matrix K is equal to 3, 2, -1, 5, 4, -2, and matrix L is equal to -4, 2, 0, 1. Calculate A, LL, B, KLL, C, LLL. Solution. Matrix L square is meaning L times L. You may gain 16, -6, 0, 1. Question B. KL square. Multiply the K by L square. You may gain 48, -16, -16, 11, 64, -26. Question C. L cubed is equal to L square times L. You may gain negative 64.26, 0, 1. Example 19. Given that 6x negative 5 multiplied by 2314 is equal to 7, 1 minus y. Calculate the values of x and y. Solution. Compare the corresponding elements. You may gain 12x minus 5 is equal to 7. Hence, x is equal to 1. Whereas, compare 18x minus 20 equal to 1 minus y. You may gain y is equal to 3. Let's do example 20. The table below shows the share units purchased by Khairil and Mahmoud. It is given that the prices of 1 unit of share A and 1 unit of share B during the purchase are 1 ringgit and 50 cent and 82 cent respectively. Calculate the total investment of Khairil and the total investment of Mahmoud. From the multiplication, you may gain 10,780, 7,920. This shows that the total investments of Khairil and Mahmoud are 10,780 and 7,920 respectively. To check your understanding, please do self-practice 2.2c. Do try question 1 until question 6. Good luck! Thank you for watching this YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.